Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another weekly vlog. If you're new here, hello. If you're not new and you're coming back, welcome back, dolls. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But anyway, y'all, so I just received my package from Ulta. Want to show you guys what I got and why I'm going to return it. Okay, y'all, so it did take quite some time for me to get this package. Okay, so this is nice. Plush throw. Okay. Then lotion. Perfume lotion. And then I got the Versace Bright Crystal, and it was free lotion and a free throw blanket to come with this. Reason why I'm returning this is because I do not like the way it smelled. I went to Kohl's and I bought this before I knew how it smelled, so I smelled it at, let me see, I think I was at Kohl's when I tried it out, and I wore it like for the day. I did not like the way it smelled, so I'm gonna return it. I was gonna return it for, well, exchange it for the Marc Jacobs Perfect, but I've been hearing people say that particular perfume doesn't last long, so I don't know what kind of perfume I'm gonna get. Maybe below y'all can comment and try to help me out, lead me in the right direction on what perfume I should try next. But I am definitely going to return this right here. So next time y'all see me, we probably will be at Target if I decide to go get some self-care items. So I will see y'all. Hey y'all, what's up? I'm back. So I am about to head to Target soon, about to clean the snow off my car, and I will catch you guys when I get there. So I'm on my way to Target. Like I told y'all, Target has this thing going on where you spend $30 in beauty products, you get $10 off. So I'm just going to pick up a couple of self-care items. So y'all, let me know. I'm trying to get my little perfume game up with some good perfumes. I did post my that Versace Bright Crystal on Instagram, asking you guys what could I get to replace it. For what I paid for it, it don't smell like what I paid for it. Like, it smells cheap, like some shit you can pick up at I don't know, like, I don't like it. I don't want it. I don't like it. Sometimes we laugh, sometimes we cry. Done. I found just about everything except for the baby oil. So I've been hearing a lot about Stella Rose, so I'm gonna try this bottle. It's peach and it's on sale. Okay y'all, so I'm gonna show you guys what I got from Target. Y'all pretty much saw it in the video, but well, earlier I guess I showed y'all everything, but I got popcorn, I got some white cheddar seasoning. This is my favorite. Slap with that. I wanted to try this Stella Rose. I got Stella peach flavor. I seen what's her name, Kyra, she always talking about this wine, talking about it's a good wine, so I just wanted to try it. Then for my self-care items, I just got some Johnson & Johnson, what is this? Coconut butter oil gel. I got some Head and Shoulders, y'all. It's a whole nother story, but I need this. I got some alcohol-free toner, Neutrogena. I just literally used the last of my Neutrogena, so had to re-up. I got Up and Up Skin Refreshing Apricot Scrub. So this face scrub is like the St. Ives, I believe. So I got this. I needed more makeup wipes, so I got the e.l.f. 2-pack. And then I love this lotion. It's just like Jergens lotion, but it's the Up and Up brand, and it's a little cheaper. Plus I got 5% off on this, and this is Extra Healing. And right here it tells you it compares to the Jergens. You can see that. So it compares to the Jergens lotion. And then I believe I got $1 off on this. I had a coupon. And then on top of that, I got the $10 off the, I think it was like spend 30 and you get $10 off. So yeah. I forgot to show y'all this e.l.f. eyebrow gel. I almost threw this in the garbage. That's everything I got, y'all. But I'll be back. Hey y'all, so what's up? Today's Saturday. I'm in the bed, which that's kind of what I plan on doing all day. Is chilling. Not trying to plan my day out. Oh, I need to get this done, that done. No. I'm about to live it yellow today. So I just want to come on here with a positive message for you guys. I just want to say, if there's something you're passionate about, keep going. Don't give up. You got this. God got you. If you are a small business owner and you feel as if your product's not selling as well as you like, just keep going. Don't stop. If you love doing makeup, nails, or whatever, and you post your stuff on YouTube and you like, oh, I'm only getting 23 views, you know, nobody likes my work, nobody's watching me, baby, keep going. Don't let that stop you. Like, everything isn't about likes and views, if you get what I'm saying. If you're really passionate about it, you'll find other ways to get yourself out there. Just don't give up, you know. Somebody's watching you regardless. If it's on your social media and they ain't liking your shit, they definitely watching you. People look up to you and you don't even know it. So my queens, my kings, keep going. We got this. Don't give up, you know. 7 views better than no views, you know what I'm saying? 100 views better than no views. Shit, 3 subscribers better than no subscribers. If you get what I'm saying. So yeah, just keep going, y'all. I'm so passionate about makeup, but I haven't been doing makeup in a while. I think I'm gonna go to Ulta. Shit, I haven't been to Ulta 1,000 times lately, but I think maybe after Christmas I'll pick up some new makeup palettes and probably put out a couple of videos on makeup tutorials. Yeah. So yeah, I don't have no plans for today. What was I supposed to do today? Nothing really. I was thinking about going downtown and just walk around and see the lights or whatever, like the Christmas tree up down there, but I don't want to go way downtown. I don't feel like driving. I don't feel like doing nothing. I did all my grocery shopping yesterday for the holiday, for the rest of these next couple of days, and filled my tank up with gas, so I'm straight, and I'm just gonna chill. I need to donate some of my daughter baby toys so we can make room for the new stuff that's coming for Christmas. So I need to organize her toys, and that's pretty much about it. So if I'm doing something fun, I pick up the camera and record. Most likely I'm not doing shit. tomorrow is Sunday. I was supposed to go to the H&M downtown. I'm still waiting on some items from H&M. I know for a fact one item I'm going to return, but shipping has been extremely slow, y'all. So slow. It's been over 3 weeks since I ordered this item, since they actually said this item shipped, and it's still not here. So it says Monday I'm supposed to get it, but we all know next weekend is Christmas, so I definitely won't be going to the stores. So I'll probably go that following week to return it and see what they have, if they have some stuff on sale. And I think it's a Nike store down there. I want to pick up some new shoes too. So I don't know, but I'll see y'all if I find something to do, you know. Y'all want to hear something funny? I was like, I'm not getting myself nothing for Christmas. And look, I had to. Because if I don't, who will? Who gonna treat you right if you don't treat yourself right? For real. For real. But no, y'all. I feel like a Barbie. You see me? You see me. Don't do that. But, yeah, y'all. I'm about to take some pictures for the gram. I will probably post the pictures I took over here maybe once I'm done. If y'all not following me, go ahead and follow me at fashion_dial and the number 3. Fashion_dial 3. I will put it under here just in case. Yeah. So I will see you guys shortly. 7:43 at night. And I'm still cooking dinner. I got a roast in the crock pot. I got roasted carrots and potatoes in the oven. So everything is done, finally done. I'm about to eat shortly. Real Housewives of Atlanta will be on. Y'all know that's my show. If y'all don't know, now y'all know. Yeah, and I'm hoping to have like a glass of wine or something. And I feel real congested, so I'm about to start taking some medicine for that. Yeah, I feel so congested, y'all. If I'm sounding like my nose stopped up, because it is. But I guess I'm about to eat and probably close this vlog out, y'all. This vlog been going long enough. So my dinner done. Pot roast and potatoes, carrots, onions in there. That's what I made for Sunday's dinner. So yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and share and subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video.